Financial education is a crucial aspect of personal finance that often gets overlooked. Many people struggle with managing their money and making sound financial decisions because they lack the necessary knowledge and skills. This can lead to financial stress, debt, and a lack of financial security. But financial education doesn't have to be overwhelming or complicated. By understanding the basics of financial literacy, you can take control of your finances and work towards financial success. In this video, we'll talk about the most important parts of financial education and give you tips on how to learn more about money. Start by creating a budget and sticking to it. This will help you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and make sure you're saving enough for the future. Get a handle on your debt. If you have credit card debt with a high interest rate, you might want to transfer the balance to a card with a lower interest rate or get a personal loan to pay off all of your debts at once. If you're struggling to make your monthly payments, consider speaking with a credit counselor or financial advisor for help. Start saving and investing as early as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Consider starting a retirement account, like a 401k or IRA, and making regular contributions to it. You can also invest in a portfolio with stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to get the most out of your money. Educate yourself on financial concepts and terms. The more you understand about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. If you want to learn more about money, you could take a course or read books and articles about personal finance. Keep an emergency fund. It's important to have a cushion of cash in case of unexpected expenses, like a car repair or medical bill. Aim to save enough money to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account or money market fund. Consider alternative investments. You can invest in things like real estate, cryptocurrencies, or peer-to-peer lending in addition to traditional stocks and bonds. These options can offer higher returns, but they also come with more risk, so be sure to do your research before diving in. Don't forget about non-financial assets. Building a strong financial foundation isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's also about investing in your personal growth and development. To make yourself more valuable in the market, you might want to invest in your education, build relationships, and learn new skills. Seek professional help when necessary. Financial advisors and credit counselors can be a valuable resource if you're struggling to manage your finances or make a financial plan. Don't be afraid to seek out their help if you need it. In summary, financial education is the key to taking control of your finances and building wealth. You can work toward financial success and security if you know the basics of money and use smart money management strategies. Remember to create a budget, manage your debt, start saving and investing early, educate yourself on financial concepts, keep an emergency fund, consider alternative investments, don't forget about non-financial assets, and seek professional help when necessary. Thank you for watching this video on financial education, the essence of financial education.